The epic journey of your instant noodles starts here, with the arrival of tons of golden wheat. This is the foundation of everything. Before entering the factory, every single grain undergoes rigorous selection. High-precision machines separate impurities. Only the perfect raw material is allowed to proceed. If you enjoy uncovering the secrets of massive industries, hit that subscribe button now, so you don't miss the next trip. Observe the continuous flow. There is no waste, just efficiency on an impressive industrial scale. Now witness the physical transformation. The raw grain is about to turn into powder. Take a moment to like the video if you're enjoying it. In gigantic mills, the wheat is pulverized until it becomes a white flour, fine as talc. Enormous silos store this white gold. The scale of this operation is designed to feed millions. But it's not just volume, it's science. In the lab, every batch is analyzed microscopically. Consistency, purity, and quality are tested exhaustively. Nothing escapes the watchful eye of the experts. Once approved, the flour moves to the heart of the factory. It is time for the alchemy. The flour meets purified water and a precise mixture of salts. The birth of the dough begins now. Powerful industrial mixers ensure that every particle of flour receives the exact hydration. The result isn't a liquid paste, but a crumbly and moist texture ready to be worked on. Now pressure comes into play. Compressing rollers crush the mixture, uniting everything into a continuous sheet. See how the dough takes shape. It is stretched, folded, and progressively thinned out. It's like a giant lasagna sheet, traveling for miles on conveyor belts, getting thinner and thinner. Precision here is measured in millimeters. The thickness will determine the final texture in your mouth. And now the secret of the shape. Rotating blades cut the dough into strands. As they cut, they slightly break the movement, creating that iconic wavy shape we all love. These waves aren't just aesthetic. They help the noodles cook evenly and hold onto the sauce. Get ready for the heat. The noodles now enter a tunnel of intense steam. Here the starch is cooked. The dough changes color, becoming elastic and translucent. But to last for months in your pantry, it needs to lose all moisture. It's time for flash frying. Dipped in hot oil for seconds, the water evaporates instantly, creating microscopic pores in the dough. It is these pores that will allow hot water to enter later, rehydrating your meal in just 3 minutes. Emerging from the heat, the blocks need to cool down. Powerful fans drop the temperature rapidly. We entered the era of total automation. Laser sensors and cameras verify every single unit. If a block is off standard, wrong weight or irregular shape, it is discarded without mercy. Robotic arms swing into action with smooth and precise movements, handling the food with delicacy. The synchronization is perfect. Machines and computers working in an endless industrial dance. As the blocks move on, the seasonings are prepared. Speaking of which, drop a comment below. What's your favorite flavor? Each sachet contains the exact dose of flavor. Quality control ensures the taste is always the same. The assembly line accelerates. The noodles meet their match. The seasoning packet. Everything happens in fractions of a second. The block drops, the seasoning is deposited, and the package is sealed. The packaging machines work at a speed the human eye can barely keep up with. Thermal sealing ensures the product stays fresh and protected from the outside environment. Notice the variety. If you are impressed by this speed, share this video with a friend right now. Final stage of the line, boxing. Robots assemble cardboard boxes in seconds. Vacuum suction cups lift and organize the packs. No physical effort, just pure engineering. boxes are closed, sealed and labeled automatically. Each one has its own traceable identity. And now behold the future of logistics. Autonomous robots and smart forklifts take command. They navigate the factory without drivers, guided by sensors taking loads to palletizing. Giant robotic arms stack the boxes onto pallets with perfect geometry for transport. The pallet is wrapped in protective film, ensuring stability. The cargo is ready to travel. This is the smart warehouse. Automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, glide silently through the aisles. They know exactly where to store each batch and when to retrieve it. It is a high-tech logistic ballet. From floor to ceiling, inventory is managed by artificial intelligence. Efficiency here is absolute. It is time to depart. The loading docks receive the trucks that will take the product to the world. Operators and machines work together to fill every cubic centimeter of transport space. The door closes. The security seal is placed. The cargo is cleared. The engine starts. Powerful trucks begin the journey across highways, bringing food to distant cities. Day and night, rain or shine, the supply chain never stops. These vehicles connect the marvel of industrial engineering directly to your daily life. Finally, the destination. Distribution centers and supermarkets receive the pallets. On the shelves, an explosion of colors and flavors awaits. What was just wheat is now a complete meal. Back at the factory, production continues. A massive facility that shines day and night. This is the perfect union between agriculture and cutting-edge technology. Every step, every machine, every robot has a single purpose: to feed the world with speed and quality. What seems simple in your bowl is actually the result of a complex industrial symphony. As the sun sets and city lights turn on, the factory remains alive, pulsing with energy. Ready to start all over again, grain by grain, pack by pack. This is the fascinating journey inside a modern factory. Did you enjoy the tour? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more incredible videos like this one. See you next time.